community, but also more importantly, as you engage your
The e-passport that we launched today puts us in a new league, that we are going to have a secure, reliable, trackable document for movement and for travel across East Africa, but also, of course, across the world. Now is the time for us to reflect on some of the things we need to do. And as the Ministry of Interior, we are focusing on synchronization of our identification documents and ensuring that all information and data on identification, all information and data on documents on each citizen can be assessed very easily as we move forward.